Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing low maintenance to look high maintenance. This is what I do weekly. This is the press on I've done for the past 3 weeks, so I'm about to take it off and get new sets done. I'm gonna take it off by putting this kind of cuticle nails inside. So I'm gonna file to take off all the glue particles and all the oil and everything that might be under the nails before I put on the new set. I'm gonna further clean the nails with nail remover just to make sure that I get rid of all the oil or anything that might be on the nails. This is the new set we are going to be installing, but then I got this from Shein. I'm going to be putting Ellie Young glue on the nail. And I'm also going to be putting the glue on my nails as well. And I will secure the nail. So after installing, then I'm gonna go back again and use the nail remover to just clean up all the glue or the excess glue on the side to make sure everything is nice. Guys, this is what we have so far. Next thing I'm going to be doing is to apply Blue Dye gel from Ellie Young on top of it as a top coat, and then I'll cure it under the UV lamp. So I'll cure each one. Ladies and gentlemen, and we are done. What do you guys think about it? Let me know in the comment section. Are you going to be trying this? Are you going to be giving it a try? Let me know in the comment section, guys. Unfortunately, guys, I just realized that my camera was blurry when I was fixing my eyelashes. But you know what? We got this. No camera can do nothing to us. I hope you guys had fun watching this video as I had fun making it. If you find any tips helpful, kindly follow me, kindly subscribe to the channel, kindly give me a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend this video to other people. Thank you, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.